Hey there, MORryde customers. From right now until March 13th, we are running our promotional period. When you get the independent suspension installed, you can get a free cargo tray, a free step, or a free pin box installed on your unit while you get the independent suspension installed in our service bays. Also, our GooseTech just came out onto the market. It retails for $14.99 on the market, but when you come here and you get the independent suspension installed, you can get it for $749 installed along with your independent suspension. The other offer that we are making is if you decide, I've already got all those products, Sean, I don't need anything else. If you get the independent suspension installed only, no disc brakes, we will discount the suspension install price by $500. If you decide you want the independent suspension and disc brakes, we'll take $750 off. So it's one or the other, free product, discounted price on the independent suspension. Either way, I think you're coming away a winner. Also, don't forget, we do maintenance, we do alignments. Now's the time that works in your schedule to come and get those little things done prior to getting your unit out for the springtime. Now's a great time to do that. We can also do any other aftermarket installs. If there's products and things that you want, we are happy to install those things for you. We hope to see you in our bays. Don't forget that promotional period ends March 13th.